Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I thought I'd do a get ready with me video. I know I haven't uploaded in quite a long time, so I wanted to start with something very simple. Also, this is my first time doing a voiceover, so be sure to let me know how I do in the comments. We're gonna start by getting our face primed up very nicely. Just make sure you get every little area, get your neck, all that. In the video, I'm using e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. From there, we'll go ahead and take our foundation. Today I'm using Urban Decay All Night Waterproof Foundation. It is the shade 1.5. I will go ahead and apply that across my face, making sure to stipple and get it as even as I can all the way across. Here I'm going to apply the foundation to the edges of my lips, just so I can take my liner later on and come back and reline my lips to give it a more rounded look. And of course, let's not forget to drag the foundation down onto our neck. That way it gives us a more even look all the way across the board, and we don't have to worry about having a really shiny face and a really dark neck. Here I'm going to be doing a little bit of contouring with the Avani Greg Hawaii bronzer. And here I'm going to be doing a little bit of contouring with the Avani Greg Hawaii bronzer. I like to take it up my jawline to sort of give me a more rounded appearance, and I like to highlight my cheekbones with it. It's very luminescent, and I think it gives you a really good pop. I'll also be contouring the corners of my forehead to sort of give me, again, a more rounded appearance. And now I'll take my beauty blender and just blend until it starts to look natural, and we want to try to avoid smearing it into any of the areas that we didn't intentionally put it in. And now that our contouring is done, I'll be taking an e.l.f. No Budge Cream Eyeshadow, and I will be applying it to my eyelids very delicately. We kind of just want to give ourselves a little bit of a base to apply our red eyeshadow later on in the video. I'm really new to eyeshadow cream, and this one is working pretty well for me. If you have a better one that I should try out, feel free to let me know in the comments. Now that we have our eyeshadow cream base, we'll be taking the grwm-quick eyeshadow palette, and we'll be applying the shade Clown, which is a really vibrant red color. And now we'll apply that shade to the outer corner of our eyelids, toward the center of our eye, just all throughout the outside toward the middle. We're actually going to be applying a different color to the inner corner of our eye, so make sure not to apply too much in that area. Now that we've applied the red eyeshadow, we're going to go back in and get the star emoji shade, which is a vibrant, glittery shade. And we're going to apply that to the inner corner of our eyes, and we're going to sort of blend it into the red, and it actually blends in really seamlessly. Here, I'm just going to use an angled brush that I have to sort of blend out the outer edges a little bit, make it look a little bit more seamless with our foundation, just to sort of give it that finishing touch. Now that we're done with our eyeshadow, it's time to apply our liner. I like to use a Maybelline liquid eyeliner. I'm using the shade Black in this video. We're going to go for a long wing today. I'm just feeling extra bold. Here I noticed that the original line that I drew looked a little bit uneven, so I just go back in and sort of round it out a little bit and make it look a little bit more neat. And now we'll go to the other eye and simply repeat the process. And now we're going to use the same eyeshadow that we used for our eyes as a blush. We're going to apply it to our cheeks and across our nose. And after we apply that, we'll blend it out and it'll look like a really nice blush. Now I'm going to take my Stylo lip liner and just line our lips. I like to overline toward the middle of the lips and underline toward the outside of the lips. And now we're simply filling in the lines with Maybelline number 15 Born With It lipstick. this is my completed look. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any recommendations, please feel free to let me know in the chat. Really new to makeup. I'm trying to find my way around it. Any tips, advice, anything like that that you think I would find helpful, feel free to leave in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you next time. Bye!